Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Frank, and welcome to our health channel. Today we're talking about cracked heels, when the skin on your heels becomes dry, splits, and sometimes even bleeds. This isn't just a cosmetic problem. In many cases, it can be painful and may even lead to infections if left untreated. If you struggle with cracked heels or dead skin buildup, this video is for you. I'll share simple and effective home remedies that can help you remove dead skin and repair cracked heels. So, make sure to watch until the end. What causes cracked heels? Keycap 1. Standing too long on hard surfaces. If you spend long hours on marble or concrete floors, the extra pressure spreads the natural fat pads in your heels. This stretching causes the skin to crack deeply. Keycap 2. Obesity. Excess weight puts more stress on your feet, increasing the risk of cracks. Keycap 3. Improper footwear. Wearing open-back sandals or shoes without proper heel support puts uneven pressure on your heels, which can lead to cracking. Keycap 4. Hot showers. Frequent use of very hot water strips away your skin's natural moisture, making it dry and more prone to cracks. Keycap 5. Walking barefoot. When you walk without shoes, your heels lose protection, which can make the cracks worse. Home remedies for cracked heels. 1. Foot soak and exfoliation. Soak your feet in warm water mixed with a little Epsom salt for 15 to 20 minutes. Epsom salt helps relax muscles and reduce inflammation. After soaking, gently scrub your heels with a pumice stone to remove dead skin cells. 2. Moisturization. Use a thick moisturizer containing urea, glycerin, or salicylic acid. Urea dissolves dead skin layers and softens the heels, while glycerin and salicylic acid lock in moisture and promote healing. 3. Petroleum jelly overnight treatment. Before bed, apply a thick layer of petroleum jelly or Vaseline to your heels, wear cotton socks, and leave it overnight. This locks in moisture and speeds up healing. 4. Regular exfoliation. Use foot scrubs or creams containing salicylic acid or lactic acid. These help remove dead skin gently, prevent thick calluses, and keep your heels smooth. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Hydration from the inside keeps your skin healthy and prevents cracks from deepening. 6. Liquid bandage for deep cracks. If your cracks are deep, apply a liquid bandage available at pharmacies. It creates a protective barrier to prevent dirt and bacteria from entering and speeds up recovery. 7. Avoid long, hot showers. Limit shower time and avoid very hot water, as it can dry out your skin further. 8. Wear proper footwear. Choose wide, comfortable shoes with cushioning. Soft soles help reduce pressure and prevent cracks. When to see a doctor. If your cracks don't improve with home remedies, or if they start bleeding, become red, swollen, or painful, see a doctor immediately. Diabetic patients should be especially careful, as cracked heels can lead to diabetic foot ulcers. We've discussed the causes, home treatments, and prevention tips for cracked heels. Good foot care is essential, and by following these remedies in your daily routine, you can prevent and treat cracks effectively. If you've experienced cracked heels, share your tips and experiences in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more health advice from me, Dr. Frank.